Hello, everybody. It's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and it's always a really exciting time when a new catalog is coming because a new catalog means product share time. So I'm jumping on tonight to share with you my January to April 2025 mini catalog celebration and online exclusive product share. So if you follow me, you know that I offer product shares with the release of each catalog, both the mini catalogs and the annual catalogs. And several times I have gotten requests to include online exclusives, but the online exclusives have not really released when a catalog has released. But times have changed, and now I'm going to be including some of the upcoming online exclusives with the January to April 2025 mini catalog product shares. So that's very exciting. So let's take a closer look at what's going to be included. So I cannot yet show you the inside of the catalog. However, if you joined me this past Friday, I did do an unboxing of so many products out of this catalog, as well as several of the upcoming online exclusives, so you could get a close-up view of some of the amazing products that will be launching in January. In addition, once again, Stampin' Up! Is going to be offering the celebration promotion starting in January for the months of January and February. I am really liking some of the products in here. And you actually have the opportunity to choose something free if you choose a complete product share. So let's take a look at what's going to be included. So the product share this year is very similar to what it's been in the past. I am offering a paper share, which is going to include a quarter pack of 10 new paper collections. Now, the paper collections will include 7 collections from the mini catalog and 3 collections that are going to be online exclusives. Now, my product shares come packaged individually. They're each labeled so that you know exactly what collection you're working with. I have a photo of the catalog it's from to help jog your memory if you need to get additional information about the product, or if it's a favorite and you would like to get more. And the online exclusives are also indicated. So you will get 3 6x6 collections. And again, you get a quarter pack of all of these collections. And then the 12x12 collections are left as a 6x12 piece so that you have a little more creative flexibility with creating fancy folds and 3D projects with the bigger piece of paper. So the papers are really pretty. I gave a very in-depth look in my unboxing video. I would encourage you to go over and check those out if you'd like to see these up close with all the different patterns. But we have Storybook Moments, Floral Delight, which also has a coordinating floral and gingham vellum. There's Friends of the Ocean, which I just absolutely love, the bright cherry colors. One of the most beautiful papers ever, Wildflower Birthday Specialty, has the gold foil. Pastel Ombre Glimmer paper is one of the online exclusives, and you can see the color gradient from the ombre. There's 3 different colors in here. And then the Mixed Media Floral. And if you see print material with this bundle, it's actually a product suite. It does not do it justice. This is absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to create more with it, but you will be getting a quarter pack of the beautiful paper. So the paper share, again, is 10 collections for $43, and they're each individually labeled for you with the product information on it. Now, I'm also offering a ribbon and embellishment share. Again, I've pulled in some of the online exclusives with the mini catalog. So you will receive 4 ribbons and 7 different embellishments from both of those releases. They're all individually labeled with the item name and number, what it is. You have all of your embellishments packaged and labeled so that you know exactly what they are. If you love them and use them up and would like to get more, you'll know exactly what you need to try to find. Now, these look at these tiny bees. Oh my gosh, I love those. And look at these, the 2-tone sparkle gems. Oh my goodness, that's an online exclusive. So really pretty, beautiful ribbon. I love the 1/8 inch ribbon. You'll really enjoy working with these. And as always, my ribbon and embellishment shear comes packaged in this cute box labeled with the catalog that it's in for easy storage of all your collections here. And your ribbon and embellishment share is $28. Now I'm also offering paper samplers. These are one of the best resource reference tools. I use these a ton while I'm creating. They are either a 4x6 or a full 6x6 piece of the designer series papers that are in this share release. And they're so handy because you can pull them out, you can look at the patterns, you can decide what colors you want to pull with them, and it really helps when you're planning your project. And then if you flip it over, you have all the colors that are in the collection, so there's no more guessing what color it is, trying to figure it out. All you have to do is pull this out, take a peek, you know exactly what color is going to go. And then I add any pertinent information. So for example, this is the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Paper. I have the catalog, how it's packaged, the item number, and then I also include if it belongs to a suite, if it's a specialty, what it has. This happens to have die cut sheets as part of the collection, so I have that noted here, although I do not have a way to include the die cuts on your sampler, but know that the paper collection does have some die cuts that go with it. So I have everything marked so that you know this is marked as an online exclusive so that you know you're not going to find it in a catalog. And the paper samplers for 6x6 collections are left full size. You actually get a full quarter pack of paper, believe it or not, in the sampler in order to get one of each pattern in here. So some of these contain a lot of designer series paper. Same with the Timeless Plaid. There's 12 sheets here. So these can contain a lot of creative potential when you're done with them, because when you don't want the sampler anymore, you can rip this apart and you have your designer series paper to create with. So you have all 10 collections of the mini catalog and online exclusive release, and your paper sampler set is $28. Then I have the quick and easy assortment share, and I love this share because it is half a pack of all the new ephemera pack as part of our mix and match collection. Now the mix and match collection was designed for really easy and fast creating. It's beautiful die cuts, and these I really love because you can color them if you want to or leave them black and white. But there's some card bases and envelopes. You get half a pack of the stripes and florals card bases with the matching envelopes. And then there's 5 different ephemera packs in this catalog's release, and you get a half a pack of all 5. So there's a total of a half a pack of 6 different products in here. And those, this share is $29. Then I offer some bundles, and with the bundles, I'm offering a gift. So your Ready to Craft bundle is one of everything. You get your quick and easy assortment share, you get your ribbon and embellishment, your paper share, and your paper samplers, which are really nice if you're getting your paper share. And that's $128, and you get to select a celebration item of your choice. You let me know what you would like, and I include it as my thank you gift with your share purchase, and that's for the level 1. So the items that are free with your $60 purchase is what you get to choose as part of your share gift. Now, if you choose the Craft Lovers bundle, you will get a paper share. So that's, again, a quarter of a pack of all the paper collections. You'll get a ribbon and embellishment share. You will get the quick and easy assortment share. And then I am gifting a Celebration Designer Series paper assortment as a gift with the Craft Lovers bundle. I can't tell you exactly what's going to be in there. It could be a variety of the Designer Series papers. I can't guarantee that all the papers will be available when I order, nor can I guarantee how many packs I will be able to get to split up. So it's going to be a surprise, but you're going to love it. And my hope is that I can give you a little of all the papers. So let's take a look. There are 3 Designer Series paper collections released with Celebration this year. There's Toadstool Gardens, which is adorable. This is a 6x6 collection, and it coordinates with the Toadstool, let's see, Terrific Toadstool bundle from the mini catalog. Super cute. There is Fruit Salad, which is my favorite. There's just tons of different fruit patterns and really amazing prints on the back. Love this. Tons of different colors, lots of creative possibilities. And this is a 6x6 collection as well. And then there's Bloom Impressions, which is a beautiful, very colorful kind of watercolor impressionistic designer series paper. And this is a 12x12 collection. So my hope is I'll be able to give you a little bit of all of them. But again, I cannot promise because I don't know what I'm going to be able to get, which is why they're not as included as part of the share. Now let me show you some of the celebration items you can choose from if you opt to get the full Ready to Craft bundle. So you have 4 different stamp sets to show you. To choose from. I have 3 to show you. There's Day to Celebrate, which is adorable for birthdays and thinking of you. Congratulations. There's Documenting the Day, which is great for card making or for memory keeping. And then my favorite, Friendly Seagulls. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I gave you a little peek. I haven't colored these yet, but I stamped them so you could see how cute they are for the unboxing video. Are those not adorable? They're adorable. And then there's another really cute stamp set that's like a dance with me or something. It's like cute little people dancing. You can also choose the Rainbow Celebration Kit. I've not assembled these yet, but this is a card kit. Look how cute these are. Cheers, happy birthday, yay, it's your day. This is no stamping. This is just an assemble kit. You just assemble it. And then there's this beautiful Fresh Freesia seam binding ribbon. There is coordinating purple adhesive back sequins that aren't really purple. You get lots of different colors. It goes beautifully with this, beautifully with the papers. Can't go wrong there. And yeah, here's what your Toadstool Garden and Fruit Salad papers will look like. So you can choose one of these celebration items as my thank you gift if you choose the complete product share. So I hope this helped to get a little better look at what's included in the product share. I will put the link to reserve your share in the description of this video. I will be taking reservations until January 5th. Payment will be via PayPal invoice, which I will start sending about a week before I order all the products. So start looking for your invoices at the end of December. Sometimes you don't get them in your email. You may have to go directly into your PayPal account. Generally, they will send you an email letting you know that I have sent an invoice, but every now and then someone doesn't get that, but it's in your PayPal account. So you need to have your reservation form and your payment in by January 5th if you would like a product share. And you do not need a PayPal account to pay a PayPal invoice. So if you would like a share but you don't have a PayPal account, no worries. When I send the invoice, you will have the option to pay with a credit card or several other ways. So it's really easy. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me at melzinkyfingers@gmail.com, and I will look forward to creating a share for you. Oh, and I didn't tell you, January 5th is the reservation deadline. My hope is to ship them out by January 20th. I'm always ahead of schedule, but I can't promise. I give myself enough time, because every now and then there's a product that is back ordered or whatever, and I need the little extra time to get it in to include it in your share. But if I can get everything, I do my best to get them out to you just as soon as possible. So thanks for taking a peek, and I hope I get to create a really fun package for you. Thank you.